Hello student, I hope all of you fit and fine, and welcome to all of you on new YouTube channel TNT. So today we will discuss another new topics, that is image formation by convex mirror. The previous lecture we have discussed first lecture we have discussed our first topics is image formation by concave mirror. So first we have recap our previous lecture of what we have discussed. First we have discussed what is light. What is light? What is light? Light is a visible ray. Okay, the light is a visible ray. Second, we have discussed the what is reflection. What is reflection? What is reflection? Reflection means if any ray hit the any surface of plane, after that this ray bounce back. This is called reflection. Okay, if this is the plane, if any ray hit the plane or surface, after hitting the surface or plane, the ray bounce back. This is called reflection. Okay, so we have discussed that type of mirror. There are two type of mirror. One is plane mirror and another is spherical mirror. The spherical mirror have two types, concave and convex mirror. Okay, the convex mirror is like that, convex mirror is like that. Okay, then we have discussed the important point of convex mirror or concave mirror, and also we have discussed image formation by concave mirror and rule of image formation. Then we have discussed the laws of reflection. What is the laws of reflection? There are two types of laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. First law is incident angle equal to reflected angle. Okay, this is our law. Then we have discussed the rule of image formation by concave mirror. There are four rules we have discussed, and also we have discussed image formation by concave mirror. How image look like? Okay, so there are 6 cases. Convex mirror image formation. There are 6 cases. So 5 cases is real and inverted, and 1 case only concave mirror is imaginary or virtual image. Okay, so if you are not watched in our previous lecture, then you can watch our previous lecture, then you can understand easily everything. Okay, today we are going to discuss the new topics, image formation by convex mirror. Okay, so after that we discuss the important PYQ and some important question, okay, for 2026 board exam. So first we discuss image formation by convex mirror. Okay, so first we should discuss the rule of image formation by convex mirror. The rule number one says that if this is convex mirror, we know this is convex mirror, this is the principal axis, it is the pole principal axis, and it is the center line. So any ray, if any incident ray parallel to the principal axis, then the reflection ray always passing through the focus point. Okay, reflection ray always passing through the focus point. But but that reflection ray is passing through that side, but focus is always lie in the principal axis. Okay, so that's why we imagine that this reflection ray passing through that side, okay, and it intersect this point. This is the focus point. Okay, this is the focus point. This is the imaginary ray. Okay, not real, imaginary ray. So this imaginary focus line, imaginary focus. Okay, so rule number 1: any parallel ray or any incident ray if parallel to the principal axis, then the reflection ray always passing through the focus point. Okay, this is the rule number first. Rule number second. Rule number second is what? Rule number second is principal axis. This is the center point, and this is the focus point. Okay, so any incident ray if passing through the focus point, any incident ray passing through the focus point, actually not passing through the focus point, but we can see, we can imagine that ray is passing through the focus point. If that incident ray passing through the focus point, then the reflection ray always passing parallel to the principal axis. Okay, so principal, this is the principal axis. Okay, the principal axis, and this reflection ray always parallel. If the incident ray passing through the focus point, then the reflection ray always parallel to the principal axis. Rule number second. Rule number third is if this is our convex mirror. Okay, this is the principal axis P, A, this is the center, and this is the focus point. If any incident ray passing through the center line, we imagine if this incident ray passing through the center line, then the reflection ray also passing through the same path. Okay, passing through the same path below. Any incident ray if passing through the center point, then the reflection ray always passing through the same path or center point. Okay, this is rule number 3. So rule 1, rule 2, rule 3 we should remember. Okay, for the image formation by convex mirror. Okay, copy. So now we discuss the image formation. There have only 2 cases. The previous lecture we have discussed 6 cases of image formation by convex mirror, but convex mirror there have only 2 cases. The case number 1. Case 1. Object place anywhere except infinity. Okay, if object place anywhere except infinity. If this is the mirror, this is the convex mirror, we know this is the principal axis, this is the pole, this is the center point. Okay, this is the focus point, this is the principal axis. So this is the convex mirror. Okay, so any object place anywhere except infinity. Okay, so anywhere means we place object, let's here. Okay, this is the A and this is B. So first we draw parallel ray to the principal axis. This is the parallel ray to the principal axis. If any ray parallel to the principal axis, then the reflection ray always passing through the focus point. Okay, this is our focus point. This is our focus point. Actually, reflection ray passing through that side, but our focus point here. So that's why we imagine a line or imagine a ray that is passing through the focus point. Okay, that is the ray. So another ray we draw. This is our center point. Okay, so second ray we draw like that. The incident ray passing through the center point. Okay, incident ray passing through the center. passing through the center point. Passing through the center point. So if any incident ray passing through the center point, the reflection ray always passing through the center point also. Okay, so center point, reflection ray always passing through the center point. Okay, so both the point, reflection imaginary point meeting that side. Okay, here is the meeting point of both reflection ray. So here is image form. Here is image form. This object. This is the object. The object, and this is the image of that object. Okay, so this is the A dash and this is B point. Understand? Got it? The how image form in convex mirror. If object placed anywhere except infinity, the object placed not infinity anywhere or anywhere except infinity, then the image formation look like that. Okay, so anywhere if we place object here, the image formation is here, not C and 4, C and F. Okay, so image characteristic, image is form behind the image. Where is image form? Behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. Okay. Second, image is what? Image is virtual, because these two rays are not real. These two rays are virtual, so image is also virtual. Image is virtual and upright. Okay, upright. The image object direction is image direction, both are same. Upright direction, so image is virtual and upright. Third case, the image, this is the object size and this is the image size. The image size is very small than object. Okay, so image is diminished. Fourth characteristic is, so image magnification is positive because both are upright direction, so image magnification are positive and magnitude of magnification less than 1. Okay, this is the first case. Copy it, then we draw the second case of the image. After that we discuss some important question for 2026 board exam. So object, case number second, object place at infinity. If we object place at infinity, so what is image look like? This is our mirror. Okay, this is our convex mirror. This is the pole. This is the principal axis. This is the center point, and this is our focus point. Okay, we know that. So if image is infinity, image place at infinity somewhere infinity at infinity point. Okay, so if image place at infinity, the ray of coming from object, the ray coming from object, all are parallel to the principal axis. Okay, any ray coming from the infinity, all the ray always parallel to the principal axis. Any ray coming from infinity, all the ray is parallel to the principal axis. Any ray coming from infinity, all the ray are parallel to the principal axis. Okay, so this is our principal axis. All the ray are parallel to the principal axis. If the incident ray are parallel to the principal axis, then the reflection ray always passes through the focus point. So this is the focus point. The reflection ray always passes through the focus point. And that's it. This is our meeting point. Okay, so image formation in the focus point, at focus point. Okay, so image characteristics, image is formed at focus point. Okay. Second, image is virtual because these both the ray are virtual. So image is virtual, actually not meeting here. Okay, but we imagine that the reflection ray meet in that position. So this is the image formation is virtual and upright is free. Image is key. Image is very diminished compared to object. Object is very large. Image is very small, like point size. Okay, so highly diminished. Highly diminished or point size. Okay, so fourth, magnification is positive. If the image is virtual upright, then the magnification always positive. Okay, so magnitude of magnification very less. Okay, less than 1. So this is the case number 2. We have only 2 cases, image formation by convex mirror. The first case, and this is the second case, is object placed at infinity. First case is objects placed at anywhere except infinity. Okay, so image formation always virtual for convex mirror. Okay, so copy it. Then we discuss some important question. Important question 2026. Okay, first we discuss use of concave mirror. Okay, so use of concave mirror is what? Causes lights, vehicles headlight, and selling mirror. Okay, this is the use of concave mirror. Second, use of convex mirror. Use of convex mirror. What is the use of convex mirror? Rear mirror. Okay. Rear mirror means रेयर मिरर क्या होता है? रेयर मिरर वो मिरर होता है जो गाड़ी में लगा रहते हैं, जो गाड़ी का पीछे का जो सीन है, पीछे क्या होता है, वो ड्राइवर जो देखता है जिस मिरर में, उस मिरर में उसको कहते हैं रेयर मिरर. ओके, सो रेयर मिरर हो गया. यूज ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर इज रेयर मिरर. ओके, सो दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. यूज ऑफ मिरर. Question 3. Describe the focus point of concave mirror. Okay. Describe the focus point of concave mirror. So how we write the answer? So first we have to draw diagram. This is our principal axis P. This is our center. This is our focus. If any ray parallel to the principal axis, then the reflection ray always passing through the focus point. Reflection ray always passing through the focus point. Okay. focus point or principal focus. Okay, describe the principal focus point of concave mirror. Okay, this is our center point. This is the PA line is the principal axis, P is the pole. Okay, so this is the incident ray. This is the reflected ray. Okay, so incident ray, if incident ray parallel to the principal axis, then the reflection ray always passes through the focus point. Okay, so how we describe the focus point, principal focus point? So if incident ray parallel to the principal axis, then the reflection ray always passing through the principal focus or focus point. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Okay, this is the principal focus point of concave mirror. This is the diagram and this is the description. If incident ray parallel to the principal axis, then the reflection ray always passing through the principal focus or focal point. Okay, this is the question number 3. Then we discuss question number 4. You can write or copy. Question number 4. Write the two laws of reflection. Okay, this is the question. So answer is first law. There have only 2 laws for the reflection. So first law is incident angle is incident angle and reflected angle are same. Okay, this is the first law. First law, incident angle equal to reflected angle. This is the first law. Second law is incident ray, the normal and the reflected ray all are in line same plane. Okay, these two cases are 2 law of reflection. Okay, you can write. This is the important. So next question is